Hello everyone, this is Rachel live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney and you're watching the early trades. The S&P ASX 200 is up 0.2% in early trade, and that's thanks to gains among the blue chip miners, helping the materials sector advance 1.8%. The energy sector is up by 0.3% as benchmark crude oil futures reach $92.90 a barrel. BHP is up 2.6%, with Rio Tinto firming 2.8%, while oil and gas giant Woodside is up 0.9%. And Macquarie, their shares rose 2.6%, buoyed by a record December quarter, and that's thanks to strong investment banking activity. The tech sector is having another rough day as bond yields rise. Square is down 5.7%, with Computershare off 4.1%, and the REA Group falling 3.1%. The worst performer so far today is healthcare junior Nanosonics. They're down 15.5%, and that was after it slashed sales guidance this morning. Let's look at some big announcements from some ASX-listed companies. Now, global financial services group, the Macquarie Group, today provided an update on their business activity in the third quarter of the financial year. The company reported improved overall market conditions in the December 2021 quarter, in a record quarter for the group. For financial year 2022 year-to-date, net profit contribution was up on financial year 2021, mainly due to continued volume growth in the banking and finance sector. The markets facing businesses combined the third quarter 2022 net profit contribution was substantially up on the third quarter of 2021. For financial year 2022 year-to-date, net profit contribution was substantially up on financial year 2021. The company reported a group capital surplus of $11.5 billion, while the bank's CET1 ratio was 12.2%. Moving on, and Suncorp Group and its subsidiaries reported today financial results for the half year ending 31st of December, a fully franked 2021 final dividend, $513 million, and a fully franked special dividend of $103 million were paid on the 22nd of September 2021. A fully franked 2022 interim dividend of $290 million has been determined since balance date by the directors. The Suncorp Group has delivered a profit after tax attributable to owners of the company of $388 million for the half year ending 31st of December 2021. And Santos has booked 100 million tonnes of CO2 storage resource in the Cooper Basin in South Australia. It represents a subset of the total prospective storage resource in the Cooper Basin. It follows the final investment decision on the 1.7 million tonne per year Moomba carbon capture and storage project in November 2021. Santos says it believes this is the first booking in the world in accordance with the CO2 storage resource management system sponsored by the Society of Petroleum Engineers. And property management group Dexus Convenience REIT has told investors it's on track to lift distributions 5.5% in financial year 2022 and confirmed 11.5 cent per security distribution for the 6 months to December 31. For the full year, it's targeting distributions of 23.1 cents per security. The first half of financial year 2022 announced 6 acquisitions worth $73.7 million on an average yield of 5.6%. At the period end, gearing stood at 32%. Shares are down 1.2% over the last year and last closed at $3.42. Well, that's all for now on the early trades. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV. We have many more shows lined up for you with live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. This is Rachel signing off for now.